12 pure vowels used in English from A to A. Here we are to learn the name of this phoneme, this, and the symbol used to represent it. It is a long phoneme. This symbol represents the phoneme E. The name of this phoneme is E. As there is no letter to represent this phoneme in English, I have done it using my tongue. Example, the initial position of the syllable E E L E il eel E A T E it it E A S T E S E is it east. At the middle position of the syllable B E E T if E B it beat B E A T if E B it beat C H E E S E each E G is cheese S H E A T each E G it cheat C H I E F each E G if cheat B E E P it E D if deep D E A L if E D ill deal F E E T if E P it feet F E A T if E P it feet N E E D in E knee it need N E A T in E it need N I E C E in E knee is knees P E E L if E P ill peel PAACE if E P is peace PIECE if E P is peace at the end position of the syllable BEE if E B if E E if E P GHEE if E G PEA if E P CEA if EC TEA if E. Generally, the letters E, E, A, A, and EI, IE represent this phoneme.